Proverbs 18:22, he who finds a wife finds a good thing and obtains favor from the Lord.
Hey guys and gals, welcome back to my channel. Hey girl, hey. So, I had this on my chest. So how you know when you moved on from the past? This is how you know when you moved on from the past. I'm gonna make it short for this. But basically, you delete all numbers, you delete all pictures, everything. I'm driving, as y'all know. Let me close the windows. And you delete everything, you block people, you even get a new number, change your number. I don't know, some people don't want to do all that. You get a new phone, I don't know what you do, but you go into your archives and you delete everything. You don't keep nothing, no residue from the filth that you was dealing with, right? The garbage. Now, we all make mistakes. I'm not blaming anyone, you know. Everyone is meant to be a lesson or a blessing in your life. We all know that. Now we adults, we know that. So let's stop, you know, with the childish banter. You know, if it happens, something happened to you, okay. But if you take somebody back and you let them continue to play you and use you and cheat on you and give you STIs and all kind of nasty stuff, then that's on you. That's your fault. You don't have self-worth. I don't care if you tell me you do, you don't. Because it proves in what you do. Even if you're married to somebody and they cheating, that's a karmic, because marriage is not supposed to be like that. So you basically married this person because you know you got caught up, you jumped into something, and now you stuck. That's why they treat you the way they do. Period. That's basically it. You know, they treating you like garbage because you letting them. So I don't know what you want people to do. You can't save people, like I had in my last video. You can't save nobody. Oh my goodness. Like, you know that song, don't save them because they don't want to be saved. You feel me? Stop trying to save people. People are adults. They know what they doing. They know. I know if I'm using you. I know if I'm using you to my gain. I know if I don't have money and you have money, I'm gonna come out with you. Yes, because you know what I'm saying? I'm using you. But basically, that's how it works. Like, stop with the foolishness. But how you know is because you no longer think about them. You no longer have a cord attached to you that's clinging, you know, making you think about them and, you know, think about they disgust and all kind of stuff because, you know, they nasty. So that's how you know. Okay. Also, when you no longer seek acceptance or whatever in like a past lover or whatever you call them, when you no longer care what they think, like you're not going on social media and posting nonsense, when you're not looking on their social media, when you're not engaging in their friends, their family, stop talking to people, stop talking to your ex's mom and all kind of crap. Like, listen, that's their mother, that's the connection that you hold with them because you're not over them. Because why would you, she's there to be like a little, you know, messenger to tell him or her what you're doing. Duh, like, wake up. Stop talking to them. Stop talking to family members. You know, I was looking at Waka Flocka, Waka and Tammy, you know, digging a divorce, whatever. You know, love don't last. But anywho, that's that TV stuff. So, listen, he was saying he's over it. He's like, you know what I'm saying, detaching. So he separated himself. He blocked all her family members, and they was in their feelings. Why? Y'all not sleeping with him? She was, or whatever. That's her ex-husband. Like, and if she want to take him back, that's on her. She got to deal with those lessons. You understand? Like, that's what people fail to understand. Your family is your family. It's not his family, her family. It's nobody else's family. Stop with the family bonding. That's trauma. Stop trauma bonding. If you over someone, you over them. Like, you know how I knew I was over someone? So, I don't know. I'm not going to mention his name. But a lot of people know him. I was dating him, like, 4 years ago, whatever have you, before I had my daughter. And he was like with me all the time, right? He was with me 24/7. And I was just like, okay, you know what I'm saying? This love is like, ooh. And he didn't know that I loved him for years. Since we was little, we grew up together, but he didn't recognize me. He didn't know me. I was like a nobody until I got older, right? Until my body matured, right? Please. But I'm like, is this officer going? Oh, okay, he's turning. Okay. I thought he was turning. So My thing is, I was talking to him. I was like in love. Ooh, you heard that? Lord have mercy. I was in love, right? No, I wasn't. I was in lust. I didn't love him. I was in lust. But he was with me all the time. He was like, I was at his house. I was talking to his mom. I was talking to everybody. And we went everywhere and everyone. We posted pictures constantly. And I started noticing like he was just doing this for attention. So like I took a step back. When I took a step back, homeboy like stopped coming over. He stopped like asking me like how I'm doing, how was my day. Like he just changed. Like, you see what I'm saying? He was doing it for the gram. He wasn't doing it for me. So he basically did like some kind of narcissist move where he tried to ghost me. I don't know. But I'm telling you, we was so good. How I know like he just wasn't ready is because he just like ran from the relationship. Like he ran and I was like, wait, what happened? And his mom still spoke to me. Okay, I talked to his mother online all the way up to my daughter was 1. That's how I knew I was still attached to him, or we had like a cord attachment. You got to cut that cord, because at the end of the day, it's not healthy. It's unhealthy. That's why they say get rid of unhealthy attachments. Let me stop driving. So get rid of it. Now, let me tell you, I was so happy, or what I thought was happiness. I thought I had finally, like, you know, this was my gonna be my kid's father, my son. I wanted a son. I'm like, oh no, he left. But he stalks, and you know, it's sad because it's like, why couldn't you just be the man I needed and be with me? Like, we would have had all this. But he wanted to be a bum. And his sister, he acted like he was sleeping with his sister, because the two of them was like half sister and brother, and they was always like together. And it was weird because he would tell her like I'm there, and like I slept over every day. He slept over by me, and she used to be like, why y'all always together? Why you always sleeping over? Like, what? I'm his woman. Like, hello, he's inside of me every night. Like, what? That's why I don't like all of that. That unhealthy sibling, like, I don't know what they call it. I don't know, when you committing, when y'all together, when sisters and brothers fornicate, you know, family. Anyway, listen, I'm past that. So that was unhealthy. That was a red flag for me. So, but it's sad because it's like, now you want to be with me. Why do people want to be with you when you leave them? Like, when they realize like who you were. No, honey. When you had me, God put me in your life for a reason. I was the blessing, and you was the lesson to me. So I got the lesson, boo boo. I ain't the fool no more. Let me tell you. Now you looking for me. I'm looking for ya. No. Too late. Sorry. I'm not talking to nobody from my past. I'm not talking about nobody. I'm not talking to friends, family. I'm not talking to acquaintances. I'm not talking to nobody from my past. Anyone that knew me before I had a baby, before I did my IVF, because nobody was there for me, I'm not talking to y'all. Y'all can kick rocks with barefoot. That's what I always say. Kick rocks barefoot. So take off your shoes. Kick all the rocks and glass, because I bid y'all farewell. Goodbye. Bye. Is that somebody coming? Goodbye. Because I'm not with the shenanigans. Ain't nobody gonna try to come. Nope. I'm not allowing no nasty energies in my child's life. Nope. Anyway, that's how you know you over your ex. You are rid of everything. Like, I got a whole new phone, like, because I feel like my ex was like tracking me or something, stalking me. This dude used to pop up places that I didn't even tell him I was at. That's how you know people are crazy. He's so focused on what I'm doing. Worry about what you're doing. Get a job. Get a life. Like, come on, man. Go get an STD test. Like, please. Go take a DNA test for them kids. I'm so happy I know who my children's father is. I don't got to worry about none of that. No shade to whoever, whatever. I'm talking about me, not you. Don't make this about you. This part, I'm talking about me. I'm so happy because I did my IVF, and all my children are from the same man. And they're going to meet him when they get older. If they want to or not, they have the right. That's what I picked. That's what I paid all these thousands of money for. Hello, I could have bought a house. But I wanted to be a mother, and I am. Okay, I'm a mother of, 7 kids? So, anywho, guys and gals, be the reason someone smiles today. I say it every day. And you know what I'm saying, I done trademarked that because I see people copying it. Hello, copying what I say, don't do that, it's not cute. And if y'all like, most of my stuff on Etsy is sold out now because I just had a big order. So, but if you want to check out my Etsy shop, you can still see what's there and order if you love cooking like I do. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Bye.